Let's learn and edify. In the last video, we have seen how to create a colorful e-content like this. So today we are going to the next video of creating the colorful e-content like this with the highlighted text and empty space above the pictures. So let's embark on. In this video, we are going to the next step of inserting the text into this slide and make this e-content very colorful. So let's start. First, we have to get the editable Word document and copy the text from there and paste it here. So go to Word document. We have already saved a Word document. Those who did not know how to convert a PDF into an editable Word document, please watch the last video. I have shown you how to convert a PDF into an editable Word document. Now we are going to select the first paragraph from this prose and going to paste it in the PowerPoint. Just select up to 5 lines. Up to 5 lines. Just go for copy and go to PowerPoint and do not paste it here. Just insert a shape. Go to insert and click on shape. Go to rectangle and draw a rectangle here. Then click the format. Then click this background. So it will give you white background. Then you right click it and click on paste. So the entire text which we have copied in the Word document is pasted now here. So just click inside it and press Ctrl A, so it will select all the text here, and go to home and change the font of the text Arial and give it a left alignment and increase the text size to 24. So this text is more as compared to here. Here you see. So we are going to reduce the content here. This much is not need here. So just delete some text and leave some space for children to enjoy this colorful content. Now select all the text and increase the size of the text and decrease the size of the shape. Now we are going to highlight the hard words. Just to follow my step, I am going to zoom in. Whatever the text if you want to highlight, just first you select the text whichever you want. First one, if you want to select the next one, means press Ctrl and select the next text and go ahead with the same procedure. Small town, her parents, dearly, her fever. So these are all the hard words I am going to highlight. After selecting the text, go to home and click on bold, so it will be bolded, and click on underline and change the color to red color. So the process is completed. Just increase the highlighted text font to 1 more percentage. The color did not change, so you go back. Go back means you have to press Ctrl Z, so it will go to the previous step. So again you increase the size of the text and give the color to red. Now the process is completed. Just adjust the shape here, so it will fit inside the shape. If you want to change the shape here, it is a rectangle. If you want a rounded rectangle, means click, double click over the rectangle and go to edit shape and change shape and give this rounded rectangle. So it will be changed to rounded rectangle. So it is easy. Like this, we are going to complete the entire process by selecting the text from the Word document and pasting it here. I think it will go up to 4 to 5 slides. So it will be like this. I have already did. So you will get this kind of slide here, like this here. So once you finished, another one point we have to remember is we have to leave empty space above the picture, so the student will copy down the hard words by getting them from the text. So how to do this? We have to delete by pressing backspace. We have to delete all the hard words from what we have already did. So if you want to move this picture down, means we can easily drag and drop here. Drag and drop here. So just put the pictures like this here. So the student will think about the picture, what they have already learned. We have already done colorful e-content like this. So they learned this picture for some days. So this will enable them to fill this empty box with their previous knowledge and leave some blank space for the children to write on their own. So they will easily do this without any hesitation. So that's it, my dear viewers. If you have any doubt, means please comment in the comment section, and I wish you will try this method to teach your children. Thank you for watching, my dear friends.